We've all been a kid at the grocery store with our parents. Whether it's Kroger, Food Max, Meijer, Walmart, Food Lion, Save Mart, or even a Costco. You've been there and so have I.
When we go in here, don't touch nothing, don't ask for nothing, don't do nothing. I'ma see you in the car.
This one time, when I was at the tender age of 8, my mommy and I went to the grocery store. And I kid you not, we were in that for like 45 minutes. That's an eternity to me. Going down every single aisle, taking her time, grabbing everything on her list, and a lot that wasn't. Meanwhile, I'm over here trying not to lose my Somebody find me a cereal box so I can punch it. She had to have noticed my frustration, because then she gave me my own shopping list.
Go find me some hot sauce, boneless skinless chicken thighs, Kraft mac and cheese, and that cheeseburger hamburger helper.
That's it? You sure you don't want me to get some more? I can help us make this trip come to an end. Just give me more on the list, woman. But that's okay. I'll be back in less than 10 minutes with the preferred items. But don't move from this spot, because I'm going to be right back.
Don't leave.
I get everything I need in record time. And I pull back up where I left my mom. She gone. There's no cell phones in this reality. So I have to go up and down every single aisle, and she's nowhere to be found. She has to still be in the store because I'm still in the store. They can't make me pay for these groceries myself. I don't even have a job. Who is gonna raise me? Am I hopeless? I had no choice. I had to call her on the intercom.
Miss Black-Matician's mommy, can you please come to register 5? Your daughter is looking for you.
I'm looking left, right, high, low, heart in my stomach. I was sure in that moment that she left me in this store. Next thing I know, this woman comes out of an aisle that I know I checked and had the audacity, the unmitigated gall to be laughing at me. Talking about,
Come on, girl, I was in the produce section.
no, you weren't, because I checked. She is so petty for laughing, and I didn't believe her then or now.
To this day.
If I go to the grocery store with my mom, I gotta have assurances.
To this day.
Are you going to move from this spot? Are you sure? When I come back, will you still be here? Are your feet or this cart going to leave from this location? Let's say I'm in the pasta section and my lovely mother is in the produce. Allegedly, because I checked. Where exactly are we on a coordinate plane? And in which quadrant are each of us in? Find out at the end of this video.
1, 2, 3.
It's the Black-Matician. 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 That's me. Greetings, children of all flavors. I'm the Black-Matician, and if you're here today, it's because you're looking for a solution to your math problems provided by someone who looks like you, talks like you, and in the future could be you. If you're watching this video today, it's because you want to learn how to plot ordered pairs on a coordinate plane. All right, let's take a look at that story time question. But let's just say she's in produce, which is around here somewhere, and I'm just going to put a little dot and put an M for mom. Also at the time, I was in the pasta section. So let's say that pasta is somewhere around here, and I'm going to put BM for Black-Matician. And the question was, where are we located on a coordinate plane, and in which quadrant are we? Always starting at our origin, which is where we have the intersection of the two axes, and we need to figure out what point is the Black-Matician located at. So if we go to the right first, because I know I'm going to go in the right direction, we went 1, 2, 3 units to the right, and then we're going to go up the y-axis. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means that the Black-Matician is at 3, 5. And because these two signs are positive, the Black-Matician was in quadrant 1 of the grocery store. Let's take a look and figure out where my mom was. So again, we're going to go in the X direction first. In this case, we're going in the negative direction. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units in the negative direction. And then we're going to go 1, 2, 3 units down in the Y direction. That's going to be a -6 and a -3. And because both of our signs are negative, that means that my mom was in the third quadrant. And there you have it, folks. That's everything you should know about coordinate planes. Does anyone have any questions?
I have several questions. That's too damn bad!
If you are for some reason feeling still a little bit foggy, you can always ask your teacher, you can ask a classmate, you can post it in the comments below and maybe another mathematician may get back to you. Or you can sign up for one-on-one tutoring with me, the Black-Matician, via my socials, which is in the corner right over here, or my website, which is going to pop up right here. And with that being said, calculator, everybody! Coronavirus got you sitting on the couch watching TV and your life's passing you on by. You're thinking, well, maybe I'll go to school next year, or maybe next semester. No, do it right now. I'll work with you whenever you want. You can watch me before you turn on the PlayStation and after you turn on the PlayStation. Whatever you need to do to graduate. Go subscribe right now. I'm out here to help you. You spend all day on your phone anyway, might as well subscribe to a channel that's gonna help you in your future. All you gotta do is pick up the phone and subscribe. Why are you making this so complicated? It's easy. Matter of fact, I'm gonna subscribe to my own channel right now.